How's it going, everyone? My name is Manny Cuts. I'm at East to West Cuts, and today I'm going to be performing a head shave with the Easy Blade Shave Gel. Let's get into it. So first, what I like to do is I like to prep the skin or the head for the shave before we just get into the shave. The reason because is if he was outside and it was kind of cold outside, his pores are more kind of closed, you know what I mean? So you have to open the pores up so we can kind of prep it to shave and, have a nice easy glide for the razor. So what we'll do is we'll apply water. Consistency pretty good on it. So we're just gonna kind of put it in there. Don't be scared to kind of massage it in, you know. Kind of feel around, see if he has any kind of bumps or abrasions going on. You don't want to run over those with the razor and kind of send them to the ER. After we do that, we're gonna apply a hot towel. Before you do the hot towel, you kind of want to test, see if it's, you don't want it to be too hot, burn. It's a really sensitive area. And then we're just gonna hold it there, maybe for about 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. Once again, it's always about the service. Out there, we're going to try to get all this shave gel off. I'm going to take some of the shave gel and reapply it. Rub it into your palm, kind of. How does that feel?
Good.
Once again, this is all just prepping for the shave. So we're just gonna kind of stretch the skin, and we're gonna shave. Some people like small strokes, some people like big strokes. And remember, always hold it at a 30-degree angle when you're doing a shave on the head. Because that's going to give you a nice shave. Remember, always keep the hair moist. You don't want a dry shave ever. Make sure you're always careful around the ear area. And on occasion you ask your client, this feels all right?
Mm-hmm.
And man, the shave gel works like magic. Softens the hair nice. Smells really nice. Once again, always keep it moist. And don't be scared to apply more gel if you need to, because the hair will always absorb. And go back right into your shave. Going with the grain, so you're not battling with any hairs. Kind of just doing what the hairs allow, how they grow out of the scalp. And he had a lot of hair, so you know the gel is really working and doing what it's supposed to do. That definitely. That definitely. Once again, just making sure you get every area. Don't be scared of. You're always gonna have to go back over it. So just make sure you're careful and no need to rush. It's gonna do its thing. When you shave, stretching the skin is always essential. And see the bump right there, so I don't need to actually go over that as much. I can kind of lighten up when I pass over that. Shout out to Easy Blade, because this gel is working magic.
Feels really good.
Yeah. Make sure. Put our finishing touches on it. After, take the drape off. And just clean up the kind of residue left on the head. And once again, I stress the service. Service is everything. If your client feels good, your pockets feel good. Your pockets feel good, your wife feels good. So I'd like to thank Easy Blade, man. Manny Cuts coming from east to west, man. We like the product, and the product is really good. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you.